relationship between chemistry and biology. We can find the relationship between chemical and biology in the process of the photosynthesis, where the plants convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen, with the help of the sunlight and water. Also, we can find this relationship in the process of the respiration, where the living things exchange carbon dioxide to oxygen from taking air with their lungs. This process is known as respiration. We can find a relationship between petrochemical and chemistry in the process of the gasoline. Also, we can find it in the process of the plastic. We are going to see the relationship between petrochemical and chemistry. We can find the relationship of the chemical and petrochemical in the process of the gasoline.
The industrial scale death and destruction during the war would not have been possible without the industrial scale production of a vast variety of chemical substances, most importantly, explosives for shells, bombs, grenades, firearm ammunition, and mining operations, chemical warfare agents commonly known as poison gases, the care of the sick and wounded, and the protection of troops and sailors also relied on chemical materials, chemical for gas masks, metal for making armor and steel helmets, the dyes for military uniform, light sensitivity chemicals for war photography, and aerial reconnaissance.
Chemistry and physics are branches of science that both study matter. Is any substance that has mass and takes up space. Chemistry and physics study energy, so nuclear fusion is a reaction in which two or more atomic nuclei come close enough to form one or more different atomic nuclei and subatomic particles. The difference in mass between the products and reactants is manifested as the release of large amounts of energy.
We're going to talk about the relationship between chemistry and food. First, the conservatives. The conservatives help food to have a longer life by adding some chemicals to that food. Now the artificial flavors. They are another example of relationship between chemistry and food. They are used to make food to have a specific flavor. Now we are talking about the colorants. They are used to give food one or more specific colors.
The relationship between chemistry and agriculture. The production of genetically modified organisms. Chemistry plays a very important role in the production and investigation of new genetically modified organisms since they use chemicals to change specific properties of food. Elaboration of pesticides. Pesticides are important in the farming of crops since they eradicate plagues that can put in risk the agricultural yield using chemicals that only affect the plant, keeping the crop intact. New fertilizers. Fertilizers are also a very important factor in harvesting since they help to boost the process of growing of plants with the help of chemicals.